Hey, so in this video I want to show you how to set up your kick and master. Now if you do it this way, by the time you've finished the track and you play the track left to right, from start to finish, you should have at least -3 decibels of headroom. So very simply, we need to get our kick, and when we've done all the processing and it's all mixed, the kick should peak at -8. So you can see here, it's not going to any bus channel. Be sure that you don't use any bus channels, it can get quite confusing. So let's send it to the main output. Now in this particular case, there's not much going on with the kick, it's just a really good kick, so I don't need any EQ. And we're going to get it to peak at -8, okay? So there you go. So as you can see, the kick is peaking at -8. Now this channel, doesn't matter what level that is, turn it up or down until your output shows -8. There you go, there or thereabouts, right? And now our master out wants to be the -5, but the slider wants to be at -5. So let's just get a quick look at the slider. Down to -5. And that's it. So when we play our track from start to finish, on the master, it should show at least -3 decibels of headroom left. So let me put in the percussion and some bass. So you can see I've got about -10 decibels of headroom left, which means I've still got -7 left. So when I'm playing the track from start to finish, I want to make sure, as I said, that at the end there's at least -3 decibels. Now if you get to the point where it goes to -2 or -1, then you know that section is too loud. So this is a perfect way for you to kind of learn how to mix down things and how to mix things properly. Now people say, well, I can't get it, my kick's peaking at -8 and I'm going into the red. Well, that's just a very clear indicator that you're not mixing things properly. So as you can see, my kick peaks at -8, and with my sub, my mid bass and my percussion, I still have -10 decibels of headroom. Now the issue is that a new producer, his ears or her ears are not developed enough yet, so what you perceive to be the correct volume is wrong, and that's why I'm constantly telling people to turn things down. So you can't blame the process. If the kick peaks at -8 and the output slider is at -5, then you should have at least -3 decibels of headroom, and if you've not got that, then it's because you're mixing things too loud. So I hope that clears it up. Any questions, give me a shout.